When your car breaks down and you're facing a substantial repair charge, you may wonder if it's better to repair or replace your old car. It's a familiar situation, and investing more money in an outdated machine is getting tiring. While having a new car would be nice, it's important to carefully consider whether it's the best choice. Should I repair or replace my old car? Benefits of repairing an old car. 1. It's cheaper. Even if you need expensive repairs like rebuilt gearboxes or engine work, it may still be cheaper than buying a new vehicle. For example, a new transmission could cost between $3,500 and $5,000. 2. It's less time-consuming. Researching and buying a new car takes time. Even if your car needs major repairs, it likely won't be out of commission for long. Fixing your car also saves you time on marketing or selling it. 3. It may hold sentimental value. Vintage cars may hold sentimental value, and many people take pride in their vehicles. Sometimes the emotional attachment to a car justifies the cost of repairing it. Benefits of replacing my old car. 1. Reliability. New cars are often more reliable. Buying a new car means less concern about minor noises and fewer trips to the mechanic. The peace of mind it offers may make the higher price worth it. 2. New car model and features. Consider upgrading to a newer car model as your current vehicle may be a fuel-efficient gas guzzler and lacking features found in newer models. Selling your old car could provide funds for a down payment on a better option. 3. Warranty. New car benefits may include free maintenance and warranties, which can increase your sense of security and provide financial flexibility in case of unexpected issues. 4. Safety. Newer cars are often safer than old ones due to modern accessories and standard safety technology. Utilizing advanced safety technologies such as blind spot recognition and automated emergency braking can help you drive more safely. When is the right time to replace a car? The cost of the repairs is hard to keep up with, and they are happening more frequently. You frequently become stranded by the car, which could put you in danger or cause you to be late for work. The cost of the repair will be greater than half the car's value. That's all for today. Like and subscribe for more.